Okay, in this video, I will teach you how we make a model relationship according to our database functionality. So for that, I need two things. One is orders table and second is orders model. So first of all, let me create migration PHP artisan make migration create orders table. Okay, migration created. Go to the database migration. Last one is your new. Here you can add integer. Integer will be your user ID. Okay, you can add any column inside your orders table, but user ID is necessary. For now, that's it. Let me migrate this PHP artisan migrate. Okay, it's migrated. Now create a model. PHP artisan make model. Model name others. That's it. Close this. Open your user PHP. Here you will create a combination with your new authors table, authors model. So for that, here you will put public function authors inside. Here you will say return this. This will belongs to many, and your class name is authors class. That's it. Now for check is combination right, you will create here test route. For just testing, here you will put new return some your user, okay, and with order. Now go to your, you can close this, you go to your route test. Okay, oops, it's okay, I forget to add a get function. Okay, go to browser, reload again. Okay, app slash user relationship not found. Okay, it's orders not order. I'm sorry for spelling mistake. Reload. Okay, it's orders not a relationship with. Okay, it with orders is function name which inside here belongs to, let me try belongs to only. Okay, reload. Call to undefined relation, but it already lesson others inside the user we have function others belongs to, oh sorry, has many, it is has many. Okay, here is I'm sorry about that, because we need here has many, because it's right now order is empty. Let me insert a dummy entry for orders, because we have a user id, so we will put two orders any user id, like a 3 3. That's it. Okay, now you will see inside the three number user, two orders. Here is two orders. Okay, now we will create order with single relationship model. For that, let me check my cart. Cart is empty. We will add some products inside the cart. Add 1 2 3, let's say this 2 time. Now go to your cart. Here is your cart. Cart have a two value for this product, one value for this one. Now if I click here any checkout, it will insert order data. So for that, just delete dummy. Inside the order model, we will create a function public. Now orders and user have a relationship. So we will complete our order. Here you will say create order. You can add any name here. For here you will say first of all return what user coming on your website. So for that, put a user, create a new auth user. That's it. Here you will say checkout, and here if I say I have a cart controller, and there we have a checkout function. That's it. Open your cart controller. Cart controller we will create anywhere. Let's say public function, here checkout. Okay, and here you will say return that combination, your this type we need to pay. So for that you will say return your use here app orders. Okay, and now you can use here orders, your function name create order, create order. That's it. Now it will show error because this is not static function, so we can't use this type of function. It's can't should not be statically. So we will put here static. Now reload. Okay, auth not found. You can use auth. Okay, here you will use auth. Reload. Now here is your author. I mean, this is your user data who is logged in on your website. Now, just try to insert the data about this. So for that, you will create a new like a user orders this one. This is your this function. Okay, here you will say create function. Simply insert the data. Now reload. It will must be inserted data with user ID in order table. Now check your order table. Here is your author ID and user ID. That's it. Now I need one more for table order products. So for that, if I say I create a new table orders products, okay, here you will put ID is a compulsory and auto increment. Okay, it will be auto increment. Second, you need uh, orders ID. Okay, and your second is your yeah, is order products, that is products ID. This must be orders products. Okay, and int. Now you need a created it. or you can add timestamp. uh, that's it, it will be int. Save it. Now you have to insert same data inside your order products and orders. Like if I order some product, you will insert row here which user is coming on your website who click checkout. That id will saved here. Second, you will save here order id. Which one order id? This order id. Okay, and second is product id. This will be many time, this can be many time, but order will be single. So for now just delete the order, make empty, make sure both table. Now we will first of all tell the Laravel we have a table and which field we have a our orders product. So for that we will create a new function, call it anything. I call it orders column. So we will say here we have a some columns, but which column? Which column belongs to products class, products model. So here we will make a relationship with belongs to many which products class. That's it. Okay, and here it will insert order table data, and that's why we will put this one in a order variable. Second, we need create order, I mean place order and insert data to orders products. This will orders products. Now we will say this, sorry, not this, it will orders, this variable we are using, this belongs to orders column. This function we are making here relationship these two tables which belong to products. Actually we are inserting data to two tables in the same click, same time. Okay, and here we will use attach. Attach contain can be contain, attach can have many columns, but product id is compulsory because we have a here put product id. Order id will come from here. Okay, and order columns will belongs to products. So for that we have to add a products id. That's nice. uh, I think we don't need created at for now. Let me delete this one, delete this. That's it. Order id product id is compulsory. You can add total quantity text everything, but for now it's done. Now if I refresh this, it must be insert data to both table in the same time. Reload. Okay, belongs to many. Undefined method belongs to many. Okay, belongs, it actually belongs. Reload. Method attach doesn't attach. Okay, I think I have a spelling mistake here. Laravel attach. Hmm, no, spelling is not mistaken. Okay, here is the mistake. We have a variable, we have a function, we have a function. Now reload again. Here is data inserted, I think. Here is your order ID 6, product ID 1. So that means we have a order ID 6 in order table. Here is 6 order ID. This is extras. We don't need this for now. Delete this. So order ID will be single. Let me, if you confused, let me reload again and make a empty this all. Okay. Now reload. Now you will see one is product ID, order ID 7. Check your order table. Order table must have a 7 ID. This will be single. This can be multiple. How multiple? Let me show you. You can see we have a cart. Cart have a 4 product. This type we can add here. For that, let me make here for each, and here cart content as we are making a for loop. Okay, and cart data. That's it. And put inside your placing order. This will run multiple time, depend on how many product in your cart. Okay, here you will add see data id. Simple id, that means your your product id. That's it. Now if I run checkout, sorry, checkout, cart not found, I'm sorry, we use here cart, that's why we define here. Reload. Now here is your products. Okay, is 4 products, is orders, is your order. Now make it empty again. To show you one more thing, make it empty. Now here we need two things. One is quantity, second is total. So here you will put two things, quantity and total. Total I think 255, that's okay. That's fine. Now how this will go? Here you will put array total. Total will be your data, cart data, quantity multiply by, this is single times, that's why we are using here price. Second, we need quantity. Just simply put here C data quantity. Save it. Now though both tables is empty, reload checkout again. Check your orders table. Here is order ID 10. Now check inside products order table 10 number order, and quantity is 112. Why? Let me show you. Why is 2 number is quantity by strawberry, and here price is 200, total is 400. Here you can see 200 and 400. That means this product price is 200. That is your relationship with the. Now if I click on the checkout, it will go to reload again and destroy your cart. We must empty our cart. Okay, so we will insert checkout again. That's why we are making it again it empty. Now here we will insert one more thing, total and status inside order table. Put here 2, total and status. Both are varchar 255, 255, and by default status will be defined pending. Save it. That's fine. Now order is complete. You have to say in order model here you will put array total. Here you will put grand total. You mean grand total? This one grand total. Okay. This will you will insert inside your order table. Okay, inside your order table. Product sorter, it will be multiple your single product. Okay, list of single product which will show on cart. But here it's single line with grand information, grand total, grand tax, grand everything. Okay, here you will put cart total function, and you don't need to add status. Okay, it's already done by default. So put here checkout, click. Okay, open my cart, checkout. mm, href checkout. That's fine. Mm, if I click here, it will go to checkout. Checkout here, and it will go to your cart controller, and we will say return back function simply. And everything is done. After that, we will put here cart destroy function. It will make cart empty. Reload, click on checkout. Okay, is total. Total is mistaken here. Cart total. I mean, I think order is inserted. No. Order products. No. Total. Uh, Let me put here at dummy value 200. Now reload. No, error. I think I forget something. The structure is total, and here total. Mm, is quantity, and put here. I will figure out where is something missing. No, I think here is mistake is must be total varchar is by default null. Let me save it, change this, reload. No. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's not to be compulsory to null it. Actually, we have to define here protected field level. Field level, you have to define here which data will be done save in your other table. So here you will say total. I'm so sorry. Here you can change it by default as a none. Now If I reload, okay, syntax error. This is syntax error. I think some data is no must be empty both tables. That's fine. Reload. Now check your first of all author table. Now we have a author ID 11 and user ID 3 and status is pending and your total is this. Check your cart is destroyed or not. Okay, cart is empty now. That's fine. And order products. Check your order. Here is your order. That's fine. Now let me log out again. Log in with any other user. Let me see if its login is working. That's fine. Go to product, add 1 2 3 products. Anyone? This one two times. Okay. Any other? Yeah. Let me. I think a 5 products. 4 product. One is 2 quantity. Now click on checkout. It is this. Now check. Here is product ID. This 4 products and order ID 12 is you need to check grand total. Go to your order. Here by default pending status created at updated at user id 4 this time. 4 who is 4? 4 is you can check here. 4 is demo human. Okay, and in the order table you can check everything here. You can add more thing like a text quantity. You can everything you can add here. Just put as a array inside here and here. That's it. Okay, I hope this is understandable and easy to understand. So I will show you more parts in upcoming video. If you like my hard work, please hit the like button. Thank you.